Hi. In the last class, we learned how to draw a triangle with equal area as that of another triangle. Okay, two triangles with equal area. How to draw? We learned. Okay. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a triangle with equal area as the area of a quadrilateral. Okay, you know what is a quadrilateral? What is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides. Okay. First, you will be given a quadrilateral. Okay? You have to draw a triangle with the equal area of this quadrilateral. Okay. Let us see how to draw a triangle. Okay. Okay. Look at the blackboards. I am drawing a quadrilateral here. Okay. This is a quadrilateral. We can call this ABCD. A, B, C and D. This is a quadrilateral. We have to draw a triangle. A triangle here. The area of the triangle should be equal to the area of this quadrilateral. Got? The area of the triangle we draw should be equal to the area of this quadrilateral. Such a triangle have to be drawn. Okay. For this, first draw a diagonal BD. Diagonal. There are two diagonals AC and BD. You can draw this diagonal or this diagonal. For the convenience, I am drawing this diagonal. Diagonal BD. Listen. Diagonal BD. This is diagonal BD. First draw the diagonal BD. Okay. Then you draw a line parallel to BD. Draw a line parallel to BD. BD. This is BD parallel to BD through the vertex C. A line parallel to this line through the vertex C. That is, this is the diagonal BD. Draw a line parallel to this line through the vertex C. Okay. You know how to draw a line parallel to this line. There, you draw the set square here and move the set square and draw a parallel. For the convenience, I am drawing the line parallel to, listen. What is the peculiarity of this line? This line is parallel to this line. This line. Here is a triangle. Triangle BDC. BDC. Okay. We can call the BD as the base of this triangle. Base of this triangle. This is base. Draw a line parallel to this line through the opposite vertex C. This is the line. Clear? Then you extend the side AB, this side AB. You extend this side to meet this line. Okay. The AB is extended and the line extended meets this line at E, at the point E. Mark the point E. Clear? First we drew the quadrilateral. Then we drew a diagonal BD. Then we drew a line parallel to this diagonal through the opposite vertex C. Okay. Then we extended this side AB. AB is extended and the meeting point E is marked. Okay. Next you join the D point D and E. Join D E. Okay. Listen. Join the point DE. Okay. Now you got a triangle ADE. Triangle ADE. I am shading the triangle ADE. Can you see the triangle? Triangle ADE is a triangle with area equal to the area of this quadrilateral. The area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to the area of triangle ADE. Okay, ADE. How this is equal? How this is equal? Listen here. You this is a triangle. This triangle BDE, BDC. Okay, BDC. BDC's base is BD. BD. We drew a line parallel to the base through the third vertex here. Okay. Now BD is parallel to this line. BD is parallel to this line. Okay. Here we got two triangles. Triangle BDC, one triangle. The another triangle BDE, second triangle. The area of both these triangles are same. The area of both these triangles are same. Why? These two triangles have same base. BD is the base. No, their third vertices are on a line parallel to the base. Therefore, area of this triangle and area of this triangle are equal. Okay. Therefore, first we divided the quadrilateral into two triangles by drawing this diagonal. Clear? And we removed this triangle and instead we added another triangle, this triangle with equal area. Therefore, the triangle ADE has area equal to the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. So this is the method how to draw a triangle with equal area as the area of a quadrilateral. Listen. Okay. We can do an example. Okay. This is the quadrilateral. Okay. Quadrilateral ABCD. AB 5 centimeter, BC 3 centimeter, AD 4 centimeter. This angle A 60 degree, angle B 50 degree, and we have to draw this quadrilateral and a triangle with the equal area of this quadrilateral. So first you draw this quadrilateral with the correct measurements. How will you draw? Here the base is this side is AB is 5 centimeter. Draw AB 5 centimeter long. This is AB. With the correct measurement, you draw the line AB. This is AB. The 5 centimeter. Okay. Now look at this rough figure. This angle is 60 degree. This angle is 50 degree. You take your protractor and measure 60 degree at A. Place your protractor here and 60 degree. Mark 60 degree. Okay. This is 60 degree mark. And at B, the angle is 50 degree. The angle B is 50 degree. So, place the protractor at B and mark 50 degree. Okay. 50 degree marked. Join this line and draw this line. Okay. This is 4 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter. Take 4 centimeter here and mark a point here. Okay. Take 3 centimeter from B. Mark the point here. Okay. Join these two points and this is the required quadrilateral. Okay. This is the required quadrilateral. Now we have to draw a triangle with equal area of this quadrilateral. What are the steps? First, draw a diagonal. This diagonal BD. Draw the diagonal BD. Okay. Then draw a line parallel through C, parallel to BD through C. Okay, parallel to this line, this diagonal through C. Okay, I am drawing simply. Okay, then next step is extend AB. This side is AB. AB extend to meet the parallel line. Extend the side AB to meet the parallel. This point is E. What is the next step? Join this point to D. DE. DE. Join this DE. Finished. What is the triangle? Which is the triangle? Triangle ADE. Triangle ADE. You just shade the triangle. Simply shade the triangle. Shade the triangle. No, triangle. We can write here area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle. Which triangle? The shaded name of the shaded triangle ADE. Area of triangle ADE. ADE is the required triangle. This area of this triangle is equal to the area of this quadrilateral. This is how we draw a triangle equal area of given quadrilateral. Clear? Now we will do some homeworks. It will be more clear. Okay. Okay. See another example here. This is quadrilateral ABCD. In the last example, the diagonal I drew was BD. In this example, I am drawing the diagonal AC. Listen. Diagonal AC. Now draw a line parallel to AC through D. This is the diagonal parallel to this diagonal. You draw a line through D. This is the parallel line. Assume I am drawing this simply without taking a set square. Okay. No. This line and this line are parallel. Okay. I extended AB to meet the parallel line at E. This point is E. Mark the point as E. Now join E and C. Join these 2 points. Listen. Join E and C. Okay. We got the required triangle. Which is the triangle? Here, look here. I am shading. Simply shade the triangle BCE. The area of BCE is equal to the area of triangle quadrilateral ABCD. Okay. You can write here area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle. You write the name of the triangle EBC or BEC. Okay.